Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and in this video we're going to see a driver doing, well, I don't really know what they were doing. They just sort of drifted across 3 lanes, and then when the red light turned, they decided they needed to get in the turn lane. I have no clue what they were doing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.